Welcome back to this video. If you are a 9Mobile user, I'm glad to announce to you now that 9Mobile network is now back, which simply make it easy for you to roam your 9Mobile network on your MTN line. And I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can actually activate your 9Mobile and use it to browse on your MTN line. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So if you are using Android phone, just head over to your phone settings. So click on settings right here. But mind you, make sure you have MTN SIM on your phone. With that, you should be able to choose 9Mobile. Then on getting to your settings right here, next thing you need to do is to click on here and make sure you type in network. Then hit on search. Now it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to choose network right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here. Make sure you click on choose network. Then it's going to take you right here. Automatically select network. Preferred network is MTN. Now, as a result of new roaming of 9Mobile on MTN, you can be able to turn off this auto. So when you turn off this auto, you click on OK. Then from the option here, you'll be able to select 9Mobile browser. So once you select 9Mobile, you can easily roam your 9Mobile network on your MTN line without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.